So the wildfires in LA, why is it that the insurance companies just weeks prior to these fires canceled a large portion of people's fire policies? So allegedly, the insurance companies like allegedly State Farm canceled a bunch of fire insurance policies for LA residents because the fire insurance was the county wasn't in compliance with what needed to happen in order for the insurance companies to pay out claims in the event of catastrophic fires. So, like, LA is not brand new to wildfires. LA has wildfires every year. So, my question is, why is it that every time there's a wildfire in LA, it becomes a whole big mess? Like, are there no contingency plans? And didn't Newsom get like a bunch of funding to put in water pumps back in 2016 because they were trying to be proactive as it relates to wildfires? Where'd that money go? Like, were the water pumps built? It's kind of like in the same vein as there was supposed to be electric chargers put in, and California got all of this money to install them and only installed a few. So everyone's blaming the insurance companies for canceling insurance policies for homeowners in LA. But apparently it was because of some government like bureaucracy. It wasn't because they were just canceling policies. And so why was the brush not cleared in the areas that are prone to catch fires? Like there was money given for the brush to be cleared, and it wasn't. And there was money given to Newsom in 2016 to build water pumps that were never built. And people are saying, well, it hasn't rained here since, like, I don't even know, like they're saying it hasn't rained here in forever. I came here on December 9th and it's rained twice just in the month of December. So it had rained. So why were the reservoirs not refilled? And why was allegedly Newsom pushing the water out into the ocean to save fish, like smelt fish? I mean, is that true? So these people have lost their homes for a bunch of government bullshit, essentially. And so now, like I said in another video, Biden has given 100% relief to FEMA to pay out for all of the claims for the people that have lost their homes and their businesses in these LA wildfires. Like it was up to 9,000 structures early this morning. So the interesting thing is Pacific Palisades fire and the Pasadena fire were like from the winds, the Santa Ana winds. But now they're saying that the fires in like Sunset and Hollywood and the ones that were close to Thousand Oaks and Calabasas yesterday were arson. So arsonists were setting fires in areas where there were predominantly wealthy people living. Was that on purpose? Because I knew it was bullshit to think that a fire would be able to jump from Pacific Palisades, which is over by the PCH, all the way over to Pasadena. Like, have y'all been to LA? Like, it's not hopping a highway. It's like hopping towns. So I thought that was odd. And so like the whole thing seems super, super suspect to me. Like, am I wrong? And so Biden has wrote an executive order to allow FEMA to pay out 100% relief to the people that have lost their homes here. The thing is, taxpayers are going to pay for that. So why didn't he give FEMA 100% relief to pay out the people in North Carolina who allegedly over 100,000 of them are still living in tents in frigid cold weather? Why didn't they get 100%? And is the relief, this 100% relief that's supposed to be in effect for like 180 days, are these celebrities going to be the ones that are going to get all that relief? Because, you know, they're going to want their mansions back. Like, how are they going to disseminate and distribute all of these funds? Who's at the top of the list? Because I just find it odd that he would write an executive order for 100% relief for the fires here, but only gave $750 to the people in North Carolina, and most of them allegedly didn't qualify for it. So this whole thing is suspect. And then there's all the talk about the electric city in 2028. Like, this is weird. Someone said in a comment I saw online the other day that LA got Maui'd. If you know, you know. And that's what it looks like to me. It's very weird. All those celebrities lost their homes, and they get 100% relief from FEMA per an executive order that Biden wrote yesterday. But the people in North Carolina didn't even get like $1,000, allegedly. Don't you find that odd? And so yesterday he was here. You know, when he flies, they close the fly space. So the helicopters and the planes that Canada came in to dump water couldn't, because they had to close the airspace because he was here. Why did he come here? He didn't go to North Carolina till the end, and they closed the airspace there too, and they couldn't start dumping water till the next day because by the time he left, it was dark. Like, it just seems weird. I mean, I'm not a conspiracy theorist. I just connect the dots. What do you guys think? And let's not forget that just a few days ago, in between giving everybody medals of honor, he gave Ukraine another $500 million. So let that sit in. Tell me in the comments what you think. Thanks for liking, sharing, and follow me if you're not. Have a great day. Bye.